guys, welcome to our final our project, for the semester one. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install some tools which are needed to run our web app. So the first tool you need to install is VS Code. Okay, so just Google install VS Code for Mac, and you can click the first link and click in download to download the version which is suitable for your machine. In this case, in my case, it is Mac. All right. So once the application is installed, you can check. Okay, VS Code. Okay, and here it is. All right. The next thing you need to install is you need to install Homebrew Google and search install Homebrew for Mac M3 because I'm using Mac M3. Okay, and you can just copy the command line here. This is the first link, and copy the command line here and paste here. I already installed it, so I don't want to install it now. Alright, so to check if it's installed, you can just type. It may take a few minutes to install it. Just type brew version. So now this is how you can test if Homebrew is installed on the machine. The next thing you need to install is you need to install a Node using Homebrew. So just Google Homebrew install Node here. Okay, and you can type here, copy the command line, go to the VS Code, type it. All right, I already done this, so and hit enter. I have done this already, so I will not do it now. But once the installation is complete, you can check by typing node.v to check the version of the node, and also npm v here to check the version of npm. We need those two tools to install the other dependencies for our web app. Okay. The next thing is you need to go to the Google and search Homebrew install git here. All right. Go to the first link, copy the command line, and paste it here. Okay. And hit enter. Okay. Okay, so you can also check git, I think, version. Okay, so this is how you check if those tools are installed on your VS Code or not. The next thing you need to install is you need to install XAMPP. Okay, XAMPP. All right, just Google XAMPP and go to the first link. Okay, you can click download here. Okay, if you and click the latest version here. Okay, I already download it. Sorry, I already download it here. So you can download and install it. It may take us a few minutes. Okay, but since I already installed it, I will just show you what it looked like. All right. Once the installation is complete, you can search for it. Okay, you can search manager .osx to open XAMPP. Okay, so this is XAMPP. Sorry. So this is the UI of the application. Okay, you go to the next thing you need to do is you need to go to the open application folder, go to the htdocs, and here actually this is my current project, so I will remove it and create a new folder. Okay, sorry, create a new folder and name it project. Okay, let's open it. So let's put it here. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to go to our GitHub repo, okay, and download my repo. So here is my repo. You can see the link here. I will leave the link in the description, and all you need to do is just copy the link, go to the VS Code, and navigate to the folder where you want to save this repository. Okay, so I just go to the desktop and type git clone and paste the link here. All right, and click enter. So what is this? Okay, sorry. So at the moment, this repo is already available on my desktop. So what I need to do is I need to remove, delete it from my desktop. Okay, and I will clone it again. So you can see here it is being cloned to my local machine. All right, so let's put it here, open it in the VS Code. Okay, so here we have the project folder from, remember, from the htdocs. Okay, let me open it again so that you can see it. Go to the open application folder, htdocs, okay, project. So this file, this folder is currently empty. It's here. All right, so what we need to do is we need to copy all the files in the backend folder here. Okay, copy it, copy those files and paste here. Okay, and the next thing we need to do is we need to go to the phpmyadmin. Sorry, we need to make sure that the two services, MySQL database and Apache web server, are running, and then you can go to phpmyadmin here. All right. To set up the database, go to the database. This is my current project. I will drop it first to make a totally brand new one. Okay, then we can type here project, okay, and click create to create a new database, and click import and choose a file, the SQL file from our, let's navigate to the desktop. This is our repo, GitHub repo on my local machine. Go to the backend and select project.sql, this file. All right, open it and import it, and then you can see click project database project to see all the tables which contains all the data needed for you to run this project, run it web app. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to go back to the VS Code, okay, and open the terminal on. We don't need this file anymore. We just go maximize the window, go to the terminal, and the next thing you need to do is you need to npm install to install all the dependencies needed for you to run this web app. Okay, all right, once this is done, you can npm start to start our web app. All right, so at the moment the web is up and running. All right,